Good day, everyone. So here we have our new lesson for today, which is about slang or slang words. So let's first define slang. So these are words that are informal words or expressions that are not considered standard in the speaker's language. So basically, these are words that are not usually or they are not normal words. They are not part of the dictionary of the speaker's language. For example, these are words that are used in streets, in calles. Since it is only used in those settings, so they are not considered normal or formal. Therefore, they are not part of the dictionary. So it is often used by people in a group that are familiar with it, such as teenagers. So these slang words are used by people in a group that are familiar with it. For example, is the renowned Jejemon. So usually Jejemons are slang words. They are shortened words that only a group of people are familiar with it. Another example is the gay lingo or the gay language. More or less, only the gay people are the ones that understand what they are talking about. Okay. So these kinds of words makes speech more emotionally expressive and shorter. So more emotionally expressive and shorter. Let's focus on that. And we have the example Jejemon. So when we use or when people use Jejemon, usually the words are literally shorter. Okay? So, using slang is usually taboo when speaking to people of higher social status. Again, slangs are informal words usually used in settings such as alleys or calles and in a group of people only. If you're going to talk with people in a higher social status or people with authority, you will be speaking rudely to them or it is very impolite. For example, if you're going to speak to your principal or to your teacher and you use slang words, then those people will be angry at you because those are or you might be using rude words. Plus also, the slang is or are words that are only familiar with a group of people. So your teacher or your principal may not understand what you are saying. Next, so let's learn some slang. So here's are some examples of slang. So dude. What's up, dude? So that is informal. It means guy or the person. Hey, what's up, guy? Or, hey, man. Rather than saying hey, dude, the formal way is hey, man or hey, guy. Next, wanna ride? You like my new ride? So it means car, even though it has a different meaning in the dictionary. So it is a slang word. That dude jacked my ride. So if you search the dictionary and what is the meaning of jack, it is something different than the definition is stolen. Because jack here is a slang word known as stolen. Other examples are Hot Wheels, Green Box, or not Hot Wheels, wheels only. Let's say, do you like my new wheels? Wheels. If we go to a dictionary, look for the definition of wheels, we will get the circular discs. But as a slang, when we say wheels, it means ride or a vehicle. And green box or box, there, if we look at the dictionary, we will have a different meaning. But as a slang, when we say green box, we mean money. So, those are informal words or slang words. Other examples. Hey, are those new kicks? So, kicks, sisipa, ano? But as a slang, it is shoes. Keep it real? Keep it real. But it means be yourself. So, different meaning. Money, high quality. That new iPad is money. but it literally means high quality or high specs. More examples: my bad, my mistake, off the chain, very cool, props, proper respect. Sick meaning cool, creeper, a weird person, not the monster in Minecraft, swag or style. Hey, don't ruin my swag, don't ruin my style. Okay. Tool, a stupid or insensitive person. Bro, meaning brother or friend. Hey, bro! So that we more or less we know the meaning, or we know how to use the word bro. Uber, the ultimate. Oh man, that car is uber cool or ultimate cool. Next, hot, attractive. Oh, she's hot. See? Even we know those slang words, but they are informal. Never say that directly to a person, or you might get slapped because it is informal. So rather than hot, say attractive. So boo, my boo's name is Jade, so boyfriend or girlfriend. Badass. So badass is a slang word for those who do not know. So it is a ultra cool person. Again, slang words are emotionally expressive and shortened words. So badass is basically the good example or a great example for showing those two aspects. Badass, short, it means 3 words and it expresses your emotions really. So just a review of the multiple slang words. So that is all for this lesson. So I hope you understand and you learned something new for today. And just a little reminder, there are multiple slang words, not just American slangs. It is different for each nation since it is unique only for a group of people. So that is my only reminder. So I hope you learned the lesson for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And that is all. Goodbye.